Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Check out the salting out effect of potassium carbonate in alcohol with some water and food coloring. It's amazing. All you need for this reaction is equal amounts of water and alcohol. I'm using 99%, and potassium carbonate and some food coloring. The first step is to add your water and your alcohol. Mix them together in equal amounts and then add your food coloring. Next, you're going to start adding your potassium carbonate. Remember, the potassium is a positively charged ion, your carbon is a negatively charged ion, and so they get hydrated, they're going to start pulling apart the color inside the solution. Right away, you'll start to see the food coloring separate in the solution. What's fun is to shake it and see how quickly it separates again. So I'm going to shake it up. Okay, now watch it separate. Look at that. Just amazing. Super cool. All you need is a little bit of alcohol, some water, and potassium carbonate with food coloring. So what exactly is going on in this lab? The essential question is, why does the coloring separate in the solution? And there's a few things that are happening. First of all, alcohol and water are completely miscible, but it turns out that the potassium carbonate does not seem to be as soluble in the alcohol as it is in the water. And so down here in this clear layer, this is where your potassium carbonate is. It's soluble in the water where it's much more dense. And then up here with the food coloring, that's where the alcohol is, where it's less dense, and that's why it's floating on the surface. So it's got a little bit to do with the solubility of potassium carbonate and the fact that alcohol, which is less dense than water and is not soluble with potassium carbonate, floats on top. I hope you enjoyed today's lab, and I'll see you next time on RamZland.